That wondrous first Noel we joyfully recall, how God was born a baby in a humble stall. If he should come today, would he be granted more? Have you prepared a bed for strangers at your door? When Mary was with child, a blessed angel came to tell her God was with her, not to fear the shame. But did no angel come to all who saw her grow? She bore the Son of God, but how were they to know what life had such a child who called a desert home, where occupying armies did the will of Rome? What tender hope could rise from such forsaken earth, that not by our deserving God conceives our worth? Now on your Christmas table